What's up guys, the man checking in. It's the next day. I'll go ahead and remove the radiator and go ahead and take the radiator support off, probably the steering column, the interior, maybe the seats and the gas tank. And we'll go ahead and see how far I get. Go ahead and keep these. This is for the horn. Go ahead and label this real quick. Alright guys, radiator's out. Okay, this wiring runs across, so we'll go ahead and take these off. I think it's the relay for the lights. Alright, so radiator support has these bolts right here. I'm probably gonna have to cut this off or try to bend it forward, just because it's in the way of this bolt. It all has is this one, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna try to bend those forward and then take the radiator support off, and then. Alright guys, so I have the radiator support taken off. Just those bolts in the bottom. These are for the front bumper, and then this is front bumper. And now disconnect the heater port hoses, they're leaking. I'm gonna go ahead and take this box out and see, because there's like some rust right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and take the seat off. I had two bolts right here, one down here and then one on the other side, and the same for the back. It has one bolt here and then one on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, so seat is out. So it just kind of screws off it all. We'll go ahead and leave this on here just for a little bit, but it has some bolts right here, all along the top, and then all along the bottom. Alright guys, so all I have to do now is just take off the bolts from the bottom. Should be good to go. Back again. Take this one, and then 2 more on that side. Alright guys, so pretty much interior's mostly gutted out. My next thing that I want to do is take off the steering column and all the components that go all the way up to the manual steering is what needs to be cut out. So I don't know about this down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the steering column. Take this off. With an impact. So let me go grab that. Alright, that was easy. Take those off. Broken, like right here. Broken and cracked in like several places. So if I end up just like using this over again, if I get like similar. Bolts 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are for these here, like this. 2 of these here, and then this big one. This one goes back here, right here. See that? Okay. Nice. Way to remember. Way to remember. Take off the manual steering column. It has 2 bolts connected right here. So this is a bolt right here and right here. After I take this off, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I think this is called a rack joint. And then I'll go ahead and take this, so this will be kind of free. And then I'll come up here and I'll take this bolt off, and then this bolt, and then these bolts off. This is what shifts the transmission. Camera's gonna die in a little bit, so bear with me.